Yes people, and welcome back to the channel. And today, like you've seen, we are back on the 140 now. We have near enough rebuilt this car back from when we crashed it. So if you're new to the channel, this is what the car looked like when I first bought it. And over the course of a few weeks, we transformed it. We fitted a new rear diffuser with the carbon tips, front splitter, side splitters and rear spats, all from KSB. We installed a spoiler, front kidney grills with the white bars behind, M-style mirror covers, and we're stupid enough to fit a bunch of Temu parts, like these puddle lights, airbag cover, and these eyelids for the headlights, for example. We even wrapped the front canards in gloss black and we changed the DRLs to yellow. All was going well for this build until I crashed it. Okay, you got me. It wasn't that bad. But we did have to get it in and up on a ramp to check for more damage. And I'm glad we did, because I found that all of my wheels were damaged, including one which was buckled. I'm wondering if you can check for a buckled wheel. That gap is about 2 mil. If you spin that wheel and it changes like that, that's slightly bigger, slightly smaller. So we repaired them and painted them black. And we had a bunch of stuff behind the bumper which was broke, so we had to replace it, as you may have seen in the last video. And that brings us to today. Now, today we are putting it back to how it was before we crashed it. Splitter going back on and some more mods. We're at Zach's, so he's going to help us out. So let's jump straight into the video. Right, we need a
jack. Low profile.
Low profile as well. I needed this on the Golf. We won't show them that yet, we'll just show them.
Can't see that.
Just this. Just for now.
Can you guess what it is yet?
Can you guess what it is yet? Cleaned this yesterday.
Sorry, what?
Cleaned it yesterday.
Are you sure?
Like spotless.
To be fair, with this lighting you can't even see it.
Spotless.
You can see it from here.
And now look at it. Disgusting.
All the detailers are crying of what you just did. Oh, now it's going to need a clay bar.
This is the exact same splitter that we had before.
Is it the exact same one?
Yeah.
At least you know what to do.
Because I think personally it looks okay. And I haven't got loads of money to be spending on really expensive ones.
And no one reached out to sponsor you.
Yeah, exactly that. That is why we have the car jacked up, but if we have more mods, don't we?
That looks expensive.
It fits, and that's all that matters.
Fair. Was your other one gloss before?
Yeah.
How was it? I think because it's new, it just looks better. While people are going to be fuming because you're not cleaning underneath the car.
You clean underneath the car, bro.
I'll just wipe over it.
I want them to comment.
Yeah.
So I cleaned it yesterday, literally in preparation for this.
I didn't.
English weather.
This weather is pretty pointless cleaning the car.
Just decided. I mean, you've got a black car, so yours is even worse.
Yeah.
Worst two colours for a car to be cleaned.
Just a little bit.
White and black.
Just a little bit dirty. Oh, we can reuse some of it.
Yeah, so this is the end piece.
This is what we need to do. Take that piece off, reattach it.
So we just stick that on top like that.
Like when people have them like really extensions on top of splitters.
Oh, rest in peace. Now look how far we've come.
Hands up.
That is literally so cheap that you have to tape this together.
Yeah. I've seen one company, they're like an expensive company to do it. I'd like be so fuming if you spent so much on a splitter.
Loads of it's
it's
just stick together.
Oh, sorry, you spent all that money, but we're cheap on packaging, so we're going to split it in 3.
Right.
Left.
Now, we've got to make a decision here. I can either try and line it up with the original holes.
Or blast another 50 into your bum.
Just throw a load more in.
You guys,
if it
you guys
damages again.
don't remember, I'm not going to do this. There's already quite a few holes.
If this gets damaged again, I'm just going to get a new one.
This shite.
I don't think you'd be able to put another few holes in it.
To be fair, yeah, but you could plastic weld them. There's only small holes.
Plastic weld? What, the holes shut?
Well, you're going to do that with the number plate holes, aren't you?
Fine like that is. Mint, that is. I don't want to.
How many times have you done this?
Too many times.
Oh. I literally thought you snapped it then. I literally thought you snapped it.
Jesus. It's so cheap art tonight.
It's fun being cameraman because I can literally just stand here like.
Yeah, you just stand there and look pretty, man. Right, I'm just gonna.
It's you know like one of them cutouts like there's been a dead body on the
No, I looked down, I was like, it's exactly what I did.
Wait, let me set this up. We'll set this up and then we'll be able to do it properly.
It's not working, is it? I think I'm in the right place. Yeah, come around here, so see how I've got that right up against the edge?
Yeah.
Do that on your side, we'll see where it sits on the front.
This is why working on the ramp. But, you know, it's content for you lot, so.
It needs to be on a ramp, I need to... Oh, that's better.
You got the OnlyFans shot now.
Oh, this is my thumbnail.
Hi guys, today I'm working on my car.
I'm working on my car today, yeah, check out my ass.
My neighbour's busy.
That looks pretty darn good to me. Where's my other half gone? Oh, that's not good. That's not good.
Quick release splitter.
Oh, it keeps on coming apart. How is this gonna hold? Line that up. Whoa!
I split trousers.
That's a win for me.
I think that with the eyebrows and the splitter, it ties in a lot.
Pretty good.
People saw
What
my
angles do you
People
get?
saw my angle then. I'm gonna have to send you the camera.
Yeah, we got a camera.
I've got the one behind me. Yeah.
So we have spacers.
We mentioned this.
Because
We mentioned this before, didn't we?
that is just all.
Yeah, if I get it from this angle, you can really see it. They're so sunken. You need nice extended bolts. Oh, you got lock-ins?
I didn't know they'd give you lockers as well.
From memory, I think I already had them. But that's actually really good. I thought you meant the bolt. You need extended bolts.
I know that.
Even give me some free peanuts.
Oh my god. Right. Let's crack these open. I think it was 12mm on the front or 15 on the rear.
Oh, is it like a kit for different?
Nah, well, yeah.
I've only got
Oh, yeah, it'll be like HSB 20, HSB 50. These will be 15, they'll be 12.
50. That's a good space.
I don't know what they're going to be like arch-wise.
Oh, you'll be fine because you're not that low anyway.
No, they're gonna have poke stance.
Nah, it won't poke. I think it'll sit flush. Especially considering wheels may be an addition to the channel.
They will be coming soon. Right then, I might as well bang a wheel off, see if they actually do fit. They look nice. I love having new parts.
Yeah,
New parts
like
are so much better.
we went through buying like that's why with the Golf I bought a lot, but second-hand parts just don't feel the same.
Like a Red Bull Oracle hiring.
not after watching this. Did you get any comments about you didn't really crash it?
I didn't actually, no. I probably will now.
I'm gonna go do it.
Right, so there. Oh, wow, I'll put the right ones on the right.
Front of
They're 15s.
They are 20.
They're nearly 15s. I think.
Yeah.
You know what, honestly, they could be a completely different size. They could be like 12 and 15s and not 20 and 15s. I don't actually know.
Nah, judging by what you've had in the package, I reckon it'll be 15, 20s. Talk to spec.
This is already rated to 140 newton meters. Thank you very much, which is a BMW spec. 140 newton meters, if you was wondering.
Oh yeah.
What do they look like?
Beautiful. You got drift stance now because the rear's not done yet.
There's so much better with those spaces, don't they?
Yeah. You just need a bit lower.
It looks like this now, that's the back.
It will look like. Looks like what?
We go 15 on one side, 20 on the other, and then do 15 on
Yeah,
that side,
just
20 on
completely throw it out. Be crab walking.
So it looks proper like water.
See, I know it's jacked up. Literally just needs to be a bit lower down. It actually looks modified then.
I can't wait to lower it. How many people do you reckon are going to say you should have cleaned this?
That's very clean because they're doing hard use.
You should have put copper salt in there.
It's already got some residue on there, you're fine. Personally, I think if it binds, it's more of a stronger hold.
They actually have stronger suspension than you because it's binded, it's physically welded together.
I mean, in reality, it's not going to be your problem because you're not going to take the space to the wires.
No. Unless I start rubbing the arches.
No chance.
It's too high, isn't it?
Yeah. But then obviously when you lower it, you just lower it. That's why the only reason I'd say coils is because you can choose your height if you have any issues then. You buy springs and it rubs, you're like, oh, stuck.
That might be too wide.
Nah, that's fine. Once it goes down. That's fat, that is.
Doesn't look good.
That's fat.
Oh, it just needs lowering.
But look. Easy mile, that's so nice. People that don't know cars, they'd have probably paid someone 200 quid labour to do this.
Oh yeah. 100%. I saw a guy in one of the chats the other day. He had a Leon. That's the one drove into, dented the door. And he was like, oh, she's gone. It's like, rest in peace, it was good while it lasted. I looked at the picture, I was like, just door, bro.
Is it literally just door?
Door cost about 100 quid for one of the wheels. That's way better.
It looks so much better.
Get it on a flat surface. See what it looks like.
Yeah, boy.
The splitter is on, the spacers are on as well, they look so much better. All we need now is lowering springs. That'll probably be next, all wheels, one of the two. I'm in mixed minds on what I'm actually going to do next week. But there is a few things in the works, I spoke to a few people, but the car is looking good. Way better than it did before, so check this out. So people, that is it. The car looks incredible. I'm really happy with it. If you did enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are on our way to 20,000 subscribers. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video, 5 o'clock Sunday next week. Peace.